अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे SAS ऑपरेटर्स। SAS provides and support a variety of useful operators in order to work with different values. These operators consist of the standard mathematical operators like plus, minus, a divider and multiplication, and apart from them operators of various other types listed below. Plus, minus, multiplication and divider and percentage have their usual meaning of mathematics for the numbers with special behavior for some units that matches the behavior of using units in the scientific math. And operators are used to check whether two values are equal or not, and there are the operators used to compare the values of greater than and less than results. And/or and not follows the usual Boolean behavior. In SAS, every value is considered true except for false and null. Plus, minus, and divider can also be used to concatenate two or more strings. Order of operations. SAS follows the most standard order of operation, that is from tightest to loosest. The unary operators not, plus, minus and divider, the line command, multiplication and percentage operators, the plus minus operators, the greater than and less than operators, the and operators, the and operator, the or operator, and is equal operator when it is available. Example: CSS debug plus 2 plus 4 multiplication 6 is equal to plus 4 multiplication 6. Output क्या? True. HTML debug true or false and false true or false and false. Output true. Parentheses, apart from the common order of the operators, their order can be explicitly change their parentheses. An operation written inside the parentheses is always executed before the operator is written outside of it. Parentheses can also be nested. In the case of nested parentheses, the innermost parentheses are executed first. Example: HTML debug 2 plus 3 multiplication 4, आउटपुट क्या? 20. 2 plus 3 जो है वो 5 और 5 multiplied by 4 20. HTML debug 2 plus 3 minus 1 multiplication 5. 2 plus 3 जो है वो 5 minus 1 4. 4 multiplied 5 20. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.